guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have Samsung Galaxy M40 with an awesome Infinity O display. So let's unbox it. So you can see here comes the box, and going to the back you can see all the specification: 6 GB ROM, 128 GB internal memory, Infinity O display and all. And it is also made in India. Here you can see very small tiny hole punch display with Samsung M40 branding, all the specification: Infinity O display, triple real camera with 32 megapixel main shooting camera, and also some other description given here. It is also to be noted the phone is made for India. So let's, without any further delay, let's cut the seal and open the box. I love to peel off these things. So amazing box. It feels very sturdy in hand. So let's cut open the box and start it. So here you can see the side view option of the opening. I just love to unbox things. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more unboxing, guys. So you can see the punch hole display. Let me place it near the camera. See here I am pointing it. So let's put the phone aside and start, and let's check what's the other thing it comes with. So firstly, as you can see, it comes with a 15-watt fast charger of Samsung, and secondly it comes with a Type-C charging cable, support fast charging, and only a Type-C earphone as it don't have any 3.5 mm jack, and SIM ejector tool, you can see it. This supports 2 Geo SIMs, don't worry. Let's see the back. I have ordered sea water blue color. You can see the gradient transition effect. You can see when the light reflects, and you can see the volume button and power button here, and the Type-C port, the speaker, and there is no headphone jack. Instead, Type-C headphone is given in the box. Guys, it looks so slim. I have to say, it feels very light in hand. I love the feel and touch of this smartphone. By the way, it is a SIM card slot. See the punch hole display, it's very tiny. And I am unable to stop myself admiring the back of this phone. It looks so amazing with this gradient finish. Here are my first impressions, guys. These are the triple rear camera, one wide angle, one for depth, and one is the main shooting camera of 32 megapixel. And let's peel off the cover. And guys, I'm not kidding. It looks very fascinating. Feels very sturdy in hand. This is the fingerprint sensor and the flash. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. I will share some of the new videos of M40 soon. Noise cancelling microphone, dual hybrid SIM slot, slim. Guys, it feels very strong. It also matches with my turtle, guys. And guys, link is in the description box to buy this smartphone, and also do like, share, comment, and wait for the next one coming. I have a full series of Samsung Galaxy M40, so wait for it. Stay tuned.